Hey everybody, it's Dr. Germanuel Landfair here at the Orthopaedic Medical Group of Tampa Bay Surgery Center. I am an adult reconstruction specialist doing joint replacement on hips and knees. And we're here today with one of our patients who has a severe hip arthritic problem. And she's been suffering quite a bit with growing pain and dysfunction and stiffness. And it's debilitated her to the point where she's not able to do the things she likes to do with her family and, around the house. So we've tried a lot of conservative treatments, including injections and therapy, and they failed at this point. So we have made the combined decision to go forth with a right total hip arthroplasty or a right hip replacement. So behind me, we have a lot of the instruments that we utilize in order to get this done. We have broaches, we have reamers. Basically, our job is to take out the old damaged cartilage and then replace it with a new ball and a cup, which will be most of the times made with titanium and a high-grade medical plastic named polyethylene. So that's the tools of the trade, baby.